In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see hidden chats on Reddit. If you've hidden a chat on Reddit and want to bring that conversation back, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. Reddit doesn't always make hidden chats obvious to find again, but you can reopen them by starting a chat with the same person. As soon as you do that, your previous conversation history should reappear, which makes this a quick way to recover access to an older hidden chat. To get started, go to Reddit and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because hidden chats are tied to the specific Reddit profile where the conversation originally took place. If you're logged into a different account, you won't see the same chat history. Once you're on Reddit, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the message icon. This is where your chat and messaging options are located. After opening that area, click on Start New Chat. Even though you're not technically trying to begin a brand new conversation, this is the tool Reddit uses to help you reopen a hidden one. Now, in the search field, type the exact username of the person you were chatting with before. Make sure the spelling matches their Reddit username exactly, because if there's a mistake or an extra character, their profile may not show up correctly in the results. If you're not sure about the username, take a moment to double check it before moving on. When their profile appears in the results, select it and then click Start Chat. As soon as the chat opens, your previous chat history with that person should reappear automatically. That means the hidden chat isn't gone permanently. It's just been tucked away until you manually reopen it this way. If the old messages don't appear right away, give the chat a moment to load. You can also try refreshing the page and repeating the same steps carefully. In many cases, the key is simply making sure you selected the correct username and opened the chat from the right Reddit account. So again, the basic idea is to go to Reddit, open the message icon, choose Start New Chat, search for the exact username, and then start the chat to bring the conversation back. It's a straightforward workaround that can save time if you thought your hidden messages were difficult to access. And that's how to see hidden chats on Reddit.